Birds of the Bible, Raven, by Alisa Golden, Never Mind the Press, 2019. Supported by Isaac Anolic Jewish Book Art Award. At the end of 40 days, Noah opened the window of the ark he had made, and sent forth the raven. It went to and fro until the water dried from the earth. Genesis chapter 8, verses 6 and 7. Raven perches on a plank at the edge of the ark, blinking in the new sunlight. The man has sent one of them to scout. Her mate agrees it's her time. She pushes off and rows her wings to catch the wind. A smooth updraft, and she soars, barrel rolls, dips and somersaults, as if the air were all for her. Below her, water gushes, swirls, and waves. Tiny islands peek out, the tips of mountains. She flies until the sun is overhead. There is nothing to eat, and nowhere to land. Wings warmed, she prepares to turn, but sees bundles bobbing and floating. If they are edible, there is no wolf to open them. More and more, so many they don't register as food anymore. Raven is now only a speck among them. When she recognizes a familiar shape, she dives for the floating feather, plucks it with her beak from the water, and heads back with a rush. Dampness and wet dirt, decay, salt. The ark glows in the distance as the sun begins to set. What Raven sees makes her drop the feather. Her mate is perched on the peak, while their young have clearly fledged, circling, soaring, waiting for their mother's return. The man stands watching. Her brood around her, Raven approaches, but will not go inside. What has the man done that all the others on earth are gone? Blessing upon seeing a rainbow. Zocher habrit v'ne'eman bevrito v'kayam b'ma'amaro. Who remembers the covenant and who is faithful to his covenant and keeps his promise. The man does not cry. I have seen others who did when just one of them died, and now he and his mate and his family are the only ones left after the Creator waged a war on all of us. His face shows nothing. He has laid out bodies of clean animals and birds, a sacrifice to please the Creator, so I hear. Only those who do not kill to eat, who have split hooves and chew their cud, and do not scavenge from the dead. My family is exempt from this massacre, since we must scavenge to survive. But the man will not let us eat from this plate. My mate overheard that the Creator has permitted the man to eat the clean animals, permitted the man to kill to eat, sharing the burden of destruction. The Creator sent the warrior's bow, the promise, the never again, but the man planted a vineyard and turned to it. Perhaps he is in shock. Still, I dread him. I will stay far from him. I do not trust him. And what will happen to future generations?